In this video, I'm going to share with you an in-depth and behind-the-scenes look at the Partner with Anthony program and give you my review. Hey everyone, my name is Nate Valline with natevalline.com and welcome to my video. If you're not familiar with who Anthony Morrison is, he has been an online entrepreneur since about 2006 and has made millions of dollars online and has also been featured on some of the biggest news channels for his achievements with his businesses. Now, before we get into this, I would like to mention that if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that big red button and subscribe. That way you won't miss out on any of my other videos on how to make money online, get your side hustle on, or even just improve your skills as a marketer. Okay, so Anthony Morrison. He has built a large portion of his business by teaching people how to create and build and scale their own online businesses. And his latest program, Partner with Anthony, is a result of all his teachings experiences where he has put it all together in one in-depth training program. And I've been following him from the sidelines for a little while now. Now, I've been following Anthony from the sidelines for a little while now, and when this program was released, I knew that these teachings would help me improve my own skills and also help grow my online business by adding another quality income stream. Now, my business is still in the early stages of its life cycle, though I don't consider myself a newbie. So having a quality training program and mentor that can teach me the right way to grow and scale my business and also give me every advantage they can while cutting out the confusion and overwhelm is a key attribute for what I'm looking for. This is important because as I'm growing my business, and maybe you're a lot like me, but I still have a 9-to-5 job that takes up most of my day. So my time is limited and I have to maximize the little time that I have to work on my online business. As I'm going through the Partner with Anthony program, I feel like the way it is designed, I truly am maximizing my time, and I do see positive momentum as I go through each session. So what I would like to do is take you behind the curtain and show you the partner dashboard and how everything is laid out so you can see what to expect. So let me get into my computer here. So we're in the dashboard here, and it's in a very easy to use, simple layout. You can see all the sessions here on the left-hand side. There's currently 24 sessions, and I've completed about 58% of those. And so I'm well on my way going through the training, and I have found the information to be very complete and thorough, and Anthony really does teach his material in a way that I think anybody can follow along and implement in the right manner. And just so you know what to expect, like session 1, Anthony goes through and tells you exactly what to expect through this program, what's needed, everything like that. Session 2, you're looking at mindset. Mindset is key when it comes to being an entrepreneur. You have to have that right mindset to get through the hurdles and the challenges and overcome all the adversity that it takes to be a successful online entrepreneur or entrepreneur in general. And then session 3, he goes into the tools that are needed for the business. There aren't many with doing online marketing. That is the great thing about getting into this business is the startup costs really are not very much. And the tools needed are only a small handful. And Anthony is very cognizant of what he's asking you to get to start your business. He doesn't make you go out and buy everything under the sun just so that you're spending money to have all the bells and whistles. He's just telling you what you need to get your business started the right way and get it up and going. And then as you gain momentum, as you start seeing those results, then you can start adding in these other features and programs and products that can help grow and scale even more. And then he gets into the daily, the sessions following that. He goes through step by step on setting up your business, setting up your email autoresponders, your funnel builders, setting up your tracking, everything like that, so that it works as one business structure. So he, like I said, very thorough. It's all done in short video segments. I would say about 15-minute segments on average. Some are shorter, some are a little longer. He also provides you with a lot of assets that he shares with his students in the Partner with Anthony program. So those include email swipes, funnel pages, which are opt-in pages, thank you pages. He also shares ways that you can increase your traffic and exposure and everything like that. So it's a very thorough, complete training program that shows you all aspects of the business. Now, the best part is too, when you're going through this, is as you're getting some of these tools, you can also sign up to be an affiliate with them, which means when you're an affiliate, if someone goes through your link, your affiliate link, and purchases, you get a commission for that. Some of it is recurring and passive. Some are one-time payments, but all ways that you can earn more income for yourself. And so the Partner with Anthony program is a complete ecosystem. So you can actually go in and I'll click to this page. These are all the different income streams and that you can put your affiliate IDs and links in, so that as people are going through this program, this is sort of a closed, you could almost say it's a closed program. As they go through it, you can put your links in. If they get signed up with any of these products, then you obviously get the commission for that and the residual payments. And so that's a great benefit here, is it's a complete ecosystem. So, that includes the funnel builders, the autoresponders, everything, etc., like that. And then on top of that, like I said, Anthony Morrison, he's been doing this for a long time now, and this is his education platform. This is where you can go in and find the courses that you already have, that you're signed up with. Some of these are free, like the Profit Cycle Blueprint, where it teaches you about this profit cycle, sorry, and how that concept kind of drives this business model. And then he has all these other available courses for when you're ready that you can get into and take advantage of, like fan page domination. This is like with Facebook, how to dominate the fan page. Crypto, if you're into crypto, anything like that. He has all this information. He also has softwares available in this that you get access to when you become a member of the Partner with Anthony program. So this is just a quick review. If you're looking to start an online business or just grow your business, this is a great place to start. And not only because of the incredible value that Anthony provides you with, just the breadth of knowledge that he has. It's so complete, and he is very good and thorough in his teachings. But the price point, you can't beat the price point. I've done other programs that cost thousands of dollars just to get, started, how to create a business online. And, in comparison, I'm actually finding that this is a little bit more thorough. You're getting more in-depth training and for the price, this, at the time of me filming this, is only $7 a month, which at that price, just about anybody can get in and get started for that amount. And so, if you're watching this video at the time of this filming, this is May 13th, it's currently $7 a month. Now, I don't know if the price is going to stay at this for long or how long. So if you do see this and it's still $7 a month, I recommend jumping on it, full bore. Get in, get your place at the $7 a month. You can't beat it. and start going through these daily sessions and learning on how to build your online business the correct and proper way. So I hope you got some value out of this video. I'll wrap this up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, got some value out of it, I ask that you give it a like or a share. And again, if you are new to my channel, please hit that big red button and subscribe. That way you won't miss out on any of my other videos. I'm posting at least twice a week. And with that, I'm just going to wrap this up. My name is Nate Valline with natevalline.com. I appreciate you for watching and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. See you in the next video. Bye.